Okay, good evening po sa lahat po. Good morning po sa lahat po. Welcome po tayo sa Mentality. Guest na lang po ito at pan-request lang po itong may nagpa-request po sa akin. Kaya mayroon po tayong LS po sa gabing ito. But also please ipa-plug ko na po on coming Tuesday, let's say Tuesday night is the return of the PSBQ Basketball League. Meron po tayong grand opening po noon. Gate start at 9 o'clock p.m. Perling Season International School in Doha. Again, I-repeat po, on Tuesday night, grand opening, the resurgence, the resurrection of Pinoy Stars Ballers Qatar. PSBQ Basketball League. See you there. Maraming salamat po. And also, this with Samuel Cast Live po yan po sa kanyang PSBQ FB page. Yung festivities po ng gabing yun. Gate start will start at 9 o'clock p.m. po yan, the Perling Season International School in Doha. Expect na full festivities, paparada po mga music po ng each and every dreams and many more. Okay, Assassins in white, clad in white and black combination. Blue shirts po sila. Or let's say playing in light. Kabila na po is of course Cebu Masters. Cebu Masters clan in white and red combination naman po tayo. Okay, first quarter start. This game, this live stream is made upon request. Maraming salamat po sa nag-request po sa akin kahit magising po ako sa gabing ito. Napatulog na ako. Pero alang-alang sa mga kaibigan, may nag-request po sa akin, kaya nandito po sa gabi ito. Okay, first quarter, start now. Escat, 22-31. 31 again, and number 9. Cebu Masters po, first. 11, 13. Si Domdom, si number 12, at si number 5. Okay, Domdom versus okay, lahat po ng mga hikaw po, kwintas, pakibigay na po sa akin. Para ka nga po, masangla ko na po ito. Maraming salamat po. Lahat po ng hikaw at kwintas po, tack in lang po tayo. Paalala din po sa both teams po. Maraming salamat din po. And come out fighting. Okay. This LS made upon request po. Please take note. Domdom. Edward. Okay, Cebu Masters. First shot, pasok ang bola kay number 12. Number 13. Number 13, Bilacampa. Now si Ballesteros. 31, driving. Nawala ang bola. Nawala ang bola. Ayan na naman siya. Bilacampa. And now dish off, slide step, pupalpal ni Galay. Domdom pops up, nope. Number and dish of pass. Muntik na. Domdom, wild shot, no good. Escat. Hindi pinasahan, hindi handa. Balik. Balik sa Cebu Masters po ang bola. Number 13. Pass now to number 11, pass now to number 5 for 3 points. Pasok! Edward, 3 points. Edward, 3 points po tayo. Ginagawa niya. Then Ballesteros, number 9. Driving strong. Kay Escat, pops up. Fusion pass kay number 9. Duko sila. Wala. Galay, wala pa rin. Bilacampa, slide bump, pero dish of pass kay number 11. Number 11, 2 points. Assassins now, trailing by 7 points. 0-7 ang score po natin. Escat, driving strong. Number 31, no good. Galay rebound, nope. And Bilacampa na naman. Shoot ni Bilacampa, pasok. Assassins called for the early timeout. 9-0-9 to nothing run being posted. in the little over 2 minutes of first quarter. Naka 9-0 kagad sila. Wala pang score po ang Assassins. Okay, back to the ball game. Ballesteros for the inbound. Assassins ball. And Tumblas. Ballesteros. Binababa ang bola. Ballesteros. Binabatean. Binabatean ng Mige. Tumblas. Pops up. No good. Now rebound muli ng Cebu Masters. Pero walang pinasahan. Balik. Sa Assassins ang bola. Bola po ng Assassins pumuli. Number 31. Umblas. Escat. Escat. Galay. Naka-rebound. There's a push. Galay pushing foul. Hold. Balik po sa Cebu Masters ang bola. Kay Domdom. Domdom ng Metroman. Domdom. Edward for 3. Ayaw niya. Domdom muna. Domdom. Domdom. Taking 3. Bilacampa. Bilacampa. Ilalim. Pasok ang bola ng mga kay Edward. Pasok ang bola. Cebu Masters leading now the charge at 11-0 run. Escat. 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 Bilak. Lob, Ballesteros. Nawalang bola, mutik na sa ilalim, dukot sa ilalim, wala pa rin. And Bilacampa na naman, pasok ang bola kay Bilacampa. Bilacampa, 2 points. Ballesteros. Ballesteros, number 9, binababa ang bola. Galay. Galay! 2 points Galay. Sa wakas, naka-score na rin sa wakas ang mga Assassins. Assassins, 2 points. 2-13. Lamang pa rin po nila bisa ang mga Masters. Walang pinasahan. Balik muli po sa Assassins ang bola. Galay. Galay, Galay. Zigzagging play. Nahuli. Hop! Kickball, same ball.
Same ball.
2:30 ng lamang po natin yon at 5 minutes 22 remaining. Sikan. Pops up kay number 5. They foul pa. Take 3. Out. Gale called for a foul. Take 3 kay Edwards. Edward take 3. 3 shots given. Dahil foul po siya on the act of shooting sa 3-point line. First shot, wala. Second shot, jumpers. Second shot. Second free throw. Second free throw po tayo mga boss. O boss, kumusta?
Sabi ko, ito magaling eh.
Pasok. Second shot. Made. Wala pa. Last shot. Pero sa Tuesday, susalbun ko yung duty ko. Tuesday, Wednesday eh. Oo. Nachma. Basura pa rin. Rasapan. Escat. Slicing through. And pasok. Basket by Escat. 4-15 ang score. And change pa po tayo. Meron po tayong barangay rules pala po dito. Barangay rules in place na para pa sa second lineup. Papasok na po yan. Si number 4, si number 11, 21, 25 at si number Escat. Retain si Escat. Sa kabila lang po, si retain din si number 13, 11, Domdom naka-retain din pala. Si Chef pumasok na. At sinihuli po. At si number 9 sa Cebu Masters. De La Cruz. Bilacampa. Domdom. Number 9. Dish of pass. Nahuli. Number 4, nagmamadali. Number 4, Berlos, 2 points.
Delikado pumasok si Berseles.
Rep, check rep. May ano, Mexico yata. Berlos. Versile, pero wala. Parang Mexico yata. Pa-check lang. Versiles intercepted by number 11. Number 11. Nagmamadali. Ayun. 11 sa ilalim. Nadukot. Ayaw muna sa ibo. Pero si Domdom nasa labas. Domdom. Ayun. Vintage Domdom. Hindi lang pumano. Binotoy Escat ng bola. Escat can shift. And one play. Pasok. And one play kay Shep. Escat, basket made, foul kay Shep. Escat, bonus free throw. Escat, bonus free throw po tayo. This L is supposed to be possible by request po ng aking kaibigan. Nakuha nito ang bola. De La Cruz. Bantay sarado, check ang bola. To Escat naman. Escat. 2 points Escat.
Pero walang award yan kung sa kanya.
Escat 2 points. 10-15. Don't look now. That score is 10-15. Back to back play. Nakuha ni Escat naman. Escat. Offensive foul. Kitang-kita, boss. Kitang-kita. Escat, kitang-kita. Sorry, kitang-kita talaga. 10-15. 33 minutes 11 seconds remaining. Nakuha na naman ang bola. Please take note po for the last 3 minutes or so. Alright, almost 3 minutes po ito. The last 2 minutes po, scoreless po ang Team Cebu Masters. Attend to nating blast already after the 5 minutes of the ball game po ng first quarter pa lang po nito. Berseles, first shot, wala. Second shot. Berseles, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Okay. 11 to nating blast already been posted now by Team Assassins. Villacampa, malakas, pero may foul. Foul called.
Wala.
Number 11 called for the foul. Villacampa shooting for 2. Villacampa shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Villacampa, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Walang rebound. 11 nagmamadali. Escat, number 25. Pasok ang bola. 25, 2 points now. Domdom setting the pace. Domdom. Chep. De La Cruz for 3. No good. Foul called. Number 13 called for the foul. Number 21 for the inbound. 11. Nasa likod, hindi mo nalingat. Nice swipe by Shep. De La Cruz. Counter steal almost. Nice stop away by number 4. Don't look now, 13-15. At 13-2 blast. Foul committed. Foul number 21. At 13 to nating blast still being posted by Team Assassins for the last 3 minutes of the ball game. Padagdag, number 9, shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. It's pasok. Basket made. Sa wakas, nakapoint po ang team Cebu Masters. Off to a free throw. Number 4. Persiles to Scott for 3. Wala. Number 9, naka-rebound. Domdom. Domdom nakawala. Domdom. Domdom. Power move by Domdom. Pasok ang bola kay Domdom. Scott. Scott. Scott nakawala. Pasok ang bola kay Scott. Vintage Scott. Pinakatante ng vintage move si Scott. Number 9. Post pops up. No good. Rebound by Bersiles. Bersiles binababa. Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Number 11. 2 points number 11. 17-18. 17-18. 53 seconds remaining. De La Cruz. Shake and fake. Binabantayan. Chef. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Number 9. Batagdag. Domdom. Naiwan mag-isa. Sa ilalim. Di kumapit ang bola. Domdom shooting for 2. Penalty situation, Team Assassins. Domdom shooting for 2. 31 seconds remaining. First quarter action pa lang po ito. Domdom, first shot. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready. Domdom, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Domdom. Wala rin. Number 11 naka-rebound. To number 4. Assassin, so dumugo. Number 4 nagmamadali. Swiped away by Domdom. Number 11 naka-recover. Oh, si Daisy. Traveling violation. Nice hustle play by number 11 pero still it's a travel. Bilakampa, last shot po sila. Sabi nila, last shot sila. Bilakampa. Number 2, Bilakampa na yun. Bilakampa, dukot sa ilalim. Wala, rebound number 9. Foul committed. Nakita ni referee yun. Nakita ni referee yun. Padagdag, shooting for 2. 17-18 na score. 5 seconds remaining. First quarter action pa lang po ito. This LS po is made by on demand ng aking kaibigan. Padagdag, first shot. No good. Second shot. Kayson to. Hindi rin po. Tinago ko. Magagamit po nito sa Tuesday.
Oo. Wala ka na, no?
Oo. Racket na naman tayo doon. Tama yung isa panggabi lang ako. Ay. Di kakayanan, boss. Pasok ko, alas 5 ng madaling araw. Katatapos to, putok-putok na yung araw. Di kakayanin, boss. Okay, first quarter ended. Ang score po natin is 17-18. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. This is your mentality. Basketball league po. By Commissioner Andap. And this LS po is made by possible by demand. On demand po itong LS nito. By request po ito ng aking kaibigan. Inistorbo pa ako sa gabi ako yung natutulog na. Nagpapa-LS daw siya. Tulog na ako nun. Inistorbo pa ako. LS on demand to. LS on demand. Parang Beba Max. Okay. Ballesteros number 9. Sige, na ba, sir? Ballesteros number 9 for the inbound. Bola po ng Team Assassins. Number 9, Ballesteros to number 31, Pedrano. 25, Pedrano again. Number 9, Ballesteros. Galay. Galay, binabantayan. Triple team. Galay, power move. Almost had the ball. Almost had it. Galay shooting for 2. 9 minutes 42 remaining. 9:42 remaining. First at Galay, kapos. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Chance to tie the ball game. Galay, last shot, second shot. Pops up. It's in. Tablados. 18, Tablados. 18 all po tayo, 18 all. Kanina po pala po, hindi po pala yun semifinals match ha. Regulation lang pala yun. And Domdom. Turnaround shot. Vintage Domdom. Pinanatin vintage Domdom. Parang Perez Aldana yung bubang ginawa niya. Perez Aldana yung bubang pinanatin ni Domdom. Grabe. Galay. Medrano. And umpas. Pumalo. Wala. Rebound by Domdom. Nahuli. Pero touch last by Ballesteros. Cebu Masters po. Keeping the ball. 18-20 ang score po natin. De La Cruz. 11. Ilalim, malalim masyado. Ballesteros, pinasa. Medrano, 2 points Medrano. Tablados na naman, yung 20 Tablados. 20 Tablados po tayo. 8 minutes 33 remaining second quarter action. Meg De La Cruz, Domdom, pops up for 3. No good. Rebound, foul call. Narinig ka doon, boss. Rinig ka doon. Galay. No good. Pinapa De La Cruz. Pasok ang bola kay De La Cruz. Number 9. Pinababa ang bola. Ballesteros. Driving strong. Galay. Pops up. No good. Rattles out. And Bilacampa. Kapos ang bola kay Bilacampa. Balik kay Galay mo ng bola. Galay. Sisaging. Galay. Wala pinasahan si Galay. Nice try. Balik tayo. Bawi na lang. Domdom. 20-20 ang score po natin. Number 6. Still completed. 25. Number 3. Ronaldo. 2 points Ronaldo 2 points. Tablados time nila sa 22 Tablados. 6 minutes 42 remaining. Bilacampa. Bang! 3 points sabihin natin Bilacampa. 3 points. Ballesteros. Number 25. Galay. Sa ilalim. Nawalang bola. Ronaldo. 3-second violation ng pinanatan. 22-25. 6 minutes 3 remaining. Domdom. Nakawala. Sa ilalim. Ronaldo. Domdom na ako ni Dom ng bola. Fade away shot. No good. Palpal. 2 points sa Dugo sa ilalim. Pasok. Out of bounds. De La Cruz. Domdom, dukot sa ilalim, pasok ang bola, ay the sky play. Nice play by De La Cruz to Domdom. Para metro lang yan, laging on time. Hindi nalilate ang mga train sa metro natin. Ronaldo, Pedrano, Galay, Galay for 2. Bang! Pasok ang bola kay Galay. And 5 minutes is in. Palit players po tayo. Barangay rules in place po tayo. Barangay rules po tayo. Okay, balik tayo nyo. 24-20 lamang po ng 5 ang team Cebu Masters. 5 minutes 6 remaining. Second quarter action. Si Shep po nagpapababa na po ng bola. Escat, pumasok na muli tayo ngayon. De La Cruz pops up. And one play pa. Rare 4-point play. Ginawa ng ni number 6. Edward shooting for a bonus free throw. Edward, bonus free throw given. Possible 4-point play, binigay po kay Edward. And no good. No, possible 5-point play pa ito gagawin nila. Coach Domdom for 3. Bang! 6-point play ang ginawa nila. 6-point play. May 3-point play ka lang kanina. Naka 3-point pa si Domdom. 6-point play. Galay. Galay. No good. Number 9 naka-rebound. And kay Coach Shep. Shep. Tapos. De La Cruz. Nice shot by De La Cruz. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. 11. Palpal. Galay. Foul. Number 5. Foul number 5. Foul number 5. Galay, 22. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. 25-37 score po natin. Laban muli ng 12 ang Cebu Masters. Pops up. Both baskets made. 26-37. Laban po ng 11 ang Cebu Masters. Domdom. Domdom. Nawala ang bola. Galay. Galay. Malakas. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Nope. Nakuha ni number 9 ang bola. Foul pa kay si Scott. Foul number 27, Scott. Padagdag, bonus free throw. Ice, ice, bebe. Bebe. Padagdag, bonus free throw. Nope. 11, naka-rebound. Number 4. Number 4, driving strong. No good. Rebound battle, number 4. And one play, pero may hawi. Hawi. May hawi. Tough call, tough break. Edward. Edward, binabantayan. Difficult shot, no good. Ito na naman, number 4. Number 4. Foul ball. Bro. Manda, paki na lang. Kumi. Paki-minimize na ano, baka mapikat ng PFP. Persiles. Pops up. No good. Dom-dom, naka-rebound. Number 6. Edward De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Drop play. No good. Ando si Dom-dom. Rescue play ni Dom-dom pumasok. Escat. Nagmamadali. Escat. 2 points Escat. Walang tawag. Nice pick. Still completed. Persiles. Naku! 2 points. 30-41. Ito na naman. Humataw na muli sila. 30-41. 11-point lead. Pakinaan lang yung tono, please. Galay. Still completed. And kay Dom-dom, number 9, De La Cruz. Nako, sayang. Alipapa. To Scott taking 3. No good. Edward naka-rebound. 1 minute 14 remaining. Dom-dom for 3. No good. Rebound. To Scott ang bola. Scott. Oh, traveling violation. Tinawag kay Scott. 55 seconds remaining. Mapipick up ng FP. Baka makakancel na natin. Thank you. Salamat. Mapick up ng FP to. Pupupunta tayo ng FP. Scott na naman. 2 points Scott. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. 36 seconds remaining. 34 seconds. Dom-dom for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 11. Galay again. Galay. On the attack si Galay. 2 points Galay. Basket by Galay. 15 seconds remaining. 32-41. Lamang ng 7. Manu. Edward for 3. Bang! Pamatay sunog. Number 4. And wala na. Okay, that's it po for second half. Coming up after first half po, lang score po natin is 34-44. Laman po ang Cebu Masters po ng 10. This LS po is only LS upon request ng aking kaibigan. Kay tulog na ako, ginising pa ako para ako mapag-LS.
Yawagan ka?
Nuwagan ako. Kaya parang video on demand, parang Viva Max. Okay, balik tayo sa ating ball game po ngayon. The score is 34-44 po tayo. O the past 20 minutes of playing time, lumaman po ng todo po ang Team Cebu Masters po, hinabol po nila. But on the second quarter po, lumamang na naman Cebu Masters po and brought this now to this score right now, 34-44. Back to the ball game in 2 minutes po tayo. Back to the ball game po tayo after 2 minutes. Okay, change court na po tayo. Change court na. The score is 34-44. Again, Villacampa for the inbound. Villacampa, number 13 for the inbound ng Cebu Masters. Tatanggap po niya si De La Cruz, yung kanilang ikang slasher nila. Edwards, ang pirado na naman. Wala. Scott, nagmamadali. Scott again. Scott, nagmamadali. Naku po, wala. One more time. Scott, 2 points. Scott, 2 points. Escat 2 points, 9 minutes 40 remaining. Domdom. Domdom. De La Cruz. 13 for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by foul called. Foul called by number Medrano. Number 20 on call for the foul. Edwards for the inbound. Villacampa thinking 3. Ayaw muli nga. Edwards. 2 points. Escat. Escat. Nagmamadali. 4 na nagbabantay kagad. Foul! Cylinder. Foul. Foul on Domdom. Escat. 3 shots given. 3 shots to Escat given. 27 Escat shooting for 3. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers. Second shot. Second free throw ni Escat. Pasok na naman. Last shot Escat.
Wala na kayo sa, ano, sa
Wala na, pawala na. Wala na ako sa kumpanya ko dati. Bago na, lumipat na ako. Okay, Domdom, 39-40, wala man ng 5. Sikan. Rap play. Edwards, no good. Rebound battle, 1 by Edwards. Wala. Nice rebound battle by Edwards, pero di po sapat ito para pumasok. Sayang nga lang. Edwards shooting for 2. 8 minutes 45 remaining. Third quarter action. First shot, pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready.
Ready.
Edwards. Second shot, both shots given.
39.
Escat. Sa ilalim. Naku, malakas. Mas epektos. Domdom. Walang tawag. De La Cruz. No good. Nice rebound. Alanganin ang rebound. Alanganin pasa. Villacampa. 2 points Villacampa. Binawi ka doon Villacampa. Escat ang rebound ako na si Escat. Walang tawag si Escat. Kulang si gulang eh. De La Cruz. Wala. Binabantayan. For 3. No good. Rebound number 21. Escat. Foul. Sikan. Escat. 2 shots given. Escat 2 shots given. 7 minutes 33 remaining. Third quarter action. First shot made. Second shot. Pasok pareho. 7 minutes 33 remaining. Domdom. De La Cruz. Edwards for 3. Bang! Bank shot pa yun kay Edwards. 10 na naman, 4-51. Escat. Palpal.
Ready.
21. Kada. Ronaldo. Wala. Rebound kay Edwards. Hop. Domdom. Fade away shot. Pasok ang bola. Escat against Domdom. Escat pops up. 3 points. And time out ni Chef muna. Para magpahinga muna yung ating mga bata. The score is 43-53. Laman pa rin po ang Cebu Masters po. Ang team nila Chef ng 10. Third quarter na po tayo ngayon ng Mentality League. And this game is on demand. Made by demand po ito. But I would like to invite you to the upcoming league po ng PSBQ Basketball League. Ang pagbabalik po nila. The resurgence, the resurrection po ng PSBQ Basketball League. Tuesday night po yan. Gates will open on Perling Season School at exactly 9 o'clock p.m. And 10 o'clock p.m. po ang simula po ng ating program, opening ceremonies. Maraming salamat po. Domdom for 3. Bang! Escat muli. Escat! Rebound di Domdom. Naka-rebound si Domdom. Bilacampa, malakas, pero may foul. Technical foul given ni referee. Technical foul given on Kada. Excessive complaint. Labas muna. Mainit masyado. Bilacampa, technical free throw. Bilacampa, technical free throw. It's in. Basket made. Second shot. Now bonus the free throws po. Free throws po tayo. Free throws. Bilacampa for the free throws po. Oy! Okay. Tama na. DQ foul. Siyan muna po natin, medyo lang. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Another technical foul given kay Kada at kaya DQ foul na po yan. Double technical foul po. Ejected po sa playing court. Bilacampa again, another bonus free throw. Sa kanyang technical free throw na naman. It's in again. Now, another free throw ngayon kay Bilacampa for the free throw. Free throw, last shot po ni Bilacampa. Bilacampa, last throw na po ito. Jumpers ready. Pasok lahat ang bola. 43-59. Labang muli po ng 16 ang team Cebu Masters. Medbrano. No good. Malakas. Nice guard by Domdom. De la Cruz. Bilacampa. Domdom for 3. Bang! Parang Metro. Laging on time si Domdom. Laging online si Domdom. Pops up. Malakas ang air ball. 5 minutes 7 remaining. Up. Change 5 tayo. Yeah, depend throw ng Skada. Hindi na mapasok Skada, throw lang. Double A. Double foul yan, hindi na makakapasok yan. Domdom, change 5 muli po tayo. Balik muli po si Chef Manu. 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. 43-62. Laman po ng 19 ang Cebu Masters. Number 9. Pasok na naman. Kondisyon po, 21 na kalamangan. 21 na kalamangan ng Cebu Masters. Persiles. 2 points Persiles. Domdom 45-64. Domdom 45-64. Padagdag. Kailalim, palpal, pero pumasok. Nice shot by Edwards. Nice shot by Mr. Edwards. Si Chef na naman, hounding again the defense. Persiles sa ipit, and it's a foul called. Who's foul rep? Who's foul rep? Number 9 called for the foul. Number 9 called for the foul. Persiles shooting for 2. 4 minutes 8 seconds remaining. Third quarter action. Pasok. Second shot. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pero mahaba pa lalam ang hahabunan pa rin po ng The Assassins. First second shot. No good. Rebound battle by number 11. Number 11 kapos pa rin. Pop si Daisy. Who's foul rep? Number 9 again. Called for the foul. Back to back field fouls committed. The number 9. Berceres na naman. 2 shots given. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throws. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Padagdag. Padagdag. Wala. Rebound. Number 27. 22. Ronaldo. 2 points Ronaldo. Padagdag. Domdom. Si Chef. Umuposisyon. 50-66. Sa 16 ang kalamangan ng Cebu Masters. Edwards, malakas. Rebound to number 11. Number 31 na naman pumasok. Umbas 2 points. 3 minutes 11 remaining. 3 minutes 5 remaining. Bilakampa. Bilakampa, binabantayan. Domdom. Chef. Chef again for 3. No good. Bilakampa. Bilakampa. Bilat na naman kay Chef. Kay Domdom. Edwards for 3. No good. Galay, naka-rebound. Si Galay nagmamadali. Galay, lumpas. Walang pinasahan. Sayang. Nice intercepted. And 25. Okay. 2 points. 8 shots po, 54-66. 12 po kalabangan. At 12. Ayun nga lang, rebound. Dinabili muli. Nice rebound. Malakas ang pasa kay Domdom. Foul. 3 shots given na naman. Game. Domdom. 3 shots na naman ang binigay kay Domdom. Pops up. Kapos. Pagod na. Second shot. Domdom. Second shot ni Domdom. Wala naman. Last shot ni Dumdum. Jumpers ready. Last shot ni Dumdum. The jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. All shots not made. Galay. Kapos. Rebound number 9. 2 points. Number 13 again. Bumawi kagad sila. Ronaldo. Galay. Foul. Shot clock. Oh, technical timeout muna tayo.
Okay na yan.
Score. 54-68.
Oh, basta lamang kayo.
Bigay na.
Galay, penalty free throws coming up.
66.
Galay, first shot. It's in. Melbs. Marvin. Okay lang ba yun? May gumagano sa ring ah. Okay lang yun? Wala na yun. Okay. Okay lang yun no? Cable tie lang yun eh. Oh. 56-68. Labang manipol na 12 ang Cebu Masters. Padagdag. Bilacampa. And balik muli po sa Assassin's ang bola. Assassin's ball.
Ready.
Number 4 inbounding.
Ready. 25. Go sila. Ilan 3 points lang.
Thank you. Persiles. Number 25, Ronaldo. To Galay. Uy, traveling violation. Traveling violation called on Mr. Galay. A minute and 8 remaining. Third quarter action. Bilacampa. Domdom. Binabantayan. Nice. Edwards. 2 points Edwards. Nice shot by Edwards. Persiles. 2 points Persiles. Domdom. Labang ng 12. 33 seconds remaining. 58-70. Domdom. Ship. Number 9. Padagdag. Nawala ang bola. Galay naka-rebound. Galay naka-nakaw. Galay. Ayun. 2 points. Nice shot. Nice assist by Galay to number 31. Yung blast. Edwards. 2 points na naman kay Edwards. And that's it. 60-72. The score is 60-72. After 3 quarters po, lamang ng 12 ang team Cebu Masters. Kada thrown out po on third quarter action, double successive technical free throws. And this video is made on demand ng aking kaibigan. Habang ay tulog na, inistorbo pa ako. The score right now is 60-72. 10 minutes again. Final 10 minutes ng larong ito. Final 10 minutes po ng larong ito. Cebu Masters against The Assassins.
Sa'yo ba sa akin? Hey, bola.
Bersiles, number 4, inbounding. 25. Bersiles. 27. Scott for 3, no good. Rebound na naman ni Villacampa. Ayun kay De La Cruz. De La Cruz against Scott. Okay, De La Cruz 2 points. Let go na yun. Mapapal pa siya pag binantay pa yun. Bersiles again. Bersiles.
Number 4.
Bersiles! Sayang. Take 2.
Number 13.
Bersiles, number 4, shooting for 2. Number 4, Bersiles, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Bersiles, second throw. Pasok pareho. 62-70 po. 12 muli kalabangan nila. Dom-dom. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Binabat na yan. May number 4. Villacampa. Dom-dom. Padagdag. Edward na yung mag-isa. No good. Galay naka-rebound. Galay. Ronaldo. 2 points Ronaldo. 10. Laman na 10 na lang po ang mga Cebu Masters. Tao. Sino tao nyo ro? Sabi ni Scott. Nakuha ni Scott ang bola. Foul. Huwag ka na mag-gramos, Scott. Baka mga technical ka niyan. Number 9 called for the foul. Again, si Bersiles for the inbound. Galay, Bersiles. Bersiles binabantayan. Bersiles driving. Malakas. Nice rebound. Nice steal. Galay again. Galay. Galay. Ayun lang. Touch last by Cebu Masters. Touch last by Cebu Masters. Number 11, Tugalay. Thinking 3. Nope, long to muna po tayo. No good. Edwards. Dom-dom. Foul. Baba. Ouch. Parang metrong bumangga si isang pader. Dom-dom shooting for 2. Okay, again. Dom-dom sa ilalim. Naku, sayang. Bersiles na una. Bersiles. Naku. One more time. Bersiles. And one play pa. Nice recovery shot by Bersiles. Number 4, Bersiles shot given. Bersiles shot given po. Bonus free throw given. Pops up. No good. Rebound di Bersiles. 2 points again. 68-75. Lamang na lang ng 7 ngayon ang Cebu Masters. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Villacampa. Dom-dom. Nice. Nice swipe away. Ronaldo against Dom-dom. Galay. Galay again. Galay. Foul. Foul. De La Cruz. Akop shooting. Galay shooting for 2. The score is 68-75. Chance to trim down the lead further into 5 points. 7 minutes 13 remaining. Fourth quarter action. First shot made. Second throw. Galay. Second free Galay. Pasok pareho. 670-75. Ayan na naman. Tao-tao na naman daw sabi ni Scott. Berciles against De La Cruz. Nakuha ng pick. Foul sa ilalim. Foul sa likod pala rather. Berciles number 4 called for a foul. Wala pa sa penalty yan. Number 9. Berciles. Vilacampa nagmamadali. Number 4, Tinky 3. Ayaw niya. Dom. Edward. One play ginawa pa. Counted para kay Edwards. Pamatay sunog na naman. Last shot kay Edwards. Wala nang magja-jump. Edwards. Pasok. 70-77. Okay. Alipapa, labas muna po. Para kay number 31, Medrano. Good ball. Good ball yun, walang tawag. Berciles na naman. No good. Ronaldo, no good still. Escat for 3. No good. Ayun lang, na yung mag-isa, sina Vilacampa. 2 points. Now trapping. Scott. Still complete again. Huy! 2 points. Dom. Time out muna. Nice trapping defense. Ginawa na po ng Cebu Masters. 70-82 lamang muli po ng 12 na naman ang Team Cebu Masters. 6 minutes 7 remaining. 6 minutes 7 remaining sa ating fourth quarter action. Ako po yung host po with you, RBG Vlogs. This game is made on demand ng aking kaibigan. Kaya nandito ako ngayon. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game tayo. Ronaldo. Berciles. Ronaldo. Escat for 3. Nice rebound, Berciles. Foul. Edwards called for a foul. Number 5. Warning po penalty po ang Cebu Masters. Galay, Escat, Berciles, 2 points. Balik. De La Cruz, buong posisyon. Dom. Sayang. Foul! Sayang. 10 kalamangan ng Cebu Masters. I think Cebu Masters will start to milk the clock. Dom, shot clock. Dom against Galay. Dom. Pops up. No good. Galay malakas. Top break kay Galay. 5 minutes 11 remaining. 72-82 ang score. Dumdum. De La Cruz. Persiles. De La Cruz naman. De La Cruz. No good. Escat. Galay, kumuha ng rebound. Galay. Sinundot na. Pasok ang bola kay Galay. Sinaksak na. 74-82. Laman ng 8. 4 minutes 35 remaining. De La Cruz against Bersiles. Villacampa. Good ball. Walang foul. Galay again. Galay. 2 points Galay. 7-82. Eto na naman. Galay. Nice back-to-back pillow si Galay. Now kay Mr. Edward to Dumdum against Galay now. Kumuha ng pick. Dumdum versus Galay. Dumdum! Tissue pass! Walang pinuha. Nice pasana dito. Nice pasana po ni Dumdum para kay Edwards. Pero di na ko ni Edwards. 82 laman ng 6. Ronaldo. Rebound by number 9. Ronaldo. Pasok ang bola kay De La Cruz. Escat. 31. Malakas. One more time. 2 points. 31. 3 minutes 20 remaining. 78-84. Laman ng 6. Padagdag. Fadeaway shot. No good. Rebound by number 4. Medrano. 2 points Medrano. Subo Masters scope for the timeout. 80-84. Kanya lumamang po sila ng todo ng 21. Subo Masters top biggest lead po is 21 back in the third quarter. Ngayon, Don't Look Now is already 80-84. 80-84 na po ito at 3 minutes 1 remaining. Please take note po, Cebu Masses po medyo underman sila. 7 lang sila, kalaban po dito, medyo ito nakakalaban po ito. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Please take note, Cebu Masses po, underman po sila compared to Assassins. And Assassins also na-thrown up ka nila isang bata po nila doon, si Kada. For excessive complaining. De La Cruz and Bersiles. Oh! Stepping on the line. Nice D by number 4. Nice D by number 4. Escat for 3. No good. Galay. 2 points Galay. Don't Look Now. 82-84. Villacampa. Dumdum. 2 points Dumdum. Bersiles. Foul called. Foul number 11 De La Cruz. Third foul number 11 De La Cruz. Bersiles 2 points given. 2 minutes 8 remaining. Kapos. Second shot. Bersiles second shot. Wala. Injury timeout. Natapilok si number 11, 31. Natapilok. Twisted ankle.
Straight lang. Matumal. Balikan. Sino papalit? Sayang mo ganito. Balik. Sayang mo na ito, maganda na laban. Maganda yung laban. Sino?
Tapilok.
Ready. 16 shot lang ka.
16 second shot clock given.
Ready.
16 second shot clock given. And Domdom medyo hinabol pa ang bola.
10 seconds.
Domdom for 3. Tapos.
1:27.
Nalanganin yung pasa. De La Cruz.
40 seconds.
Again, Edwards. No good. Rebound. Scott. Galay. And one play, Galay. Basket made para kay Galay. +1 free throw given kay Galay. Number 9, 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Galay. Bonus shot. Yes, sirree. A minute and 22 remaining. Isa na lang po kalamangan ng team Cebu Masters. Domdom. Domdom. Pumalo. No good. Foul number 4. Both teams penalty.
Scott, ito naman lista. Inanas ko lang Inanas ko.
Top break.
4 minutes pa ng 4-1 inanas ko lang.
De La Cruz. First shot.
Tatlo ka
Pasok.
ba?
Second shot. Jumpers ready.
Walang pumasok. Ready.
Second shot, De La Cruz.
Isa pumasok.
Pasok pareho.
Ready, tatlo yan. Malayo na yan.
Scott. Galay.
Ganda, Scott.
Scott. Taking 2.
Grabe na tatang gugulang.
Magulang.
23 Domdom.
Domdom called for the foul. Scott. Bonus free throws. Free throws given kay Scott. First shot.
Shooter yan.
It's in. Second shot. 2 possession ball game tayo. Scott, second shot. Both baskets drilled. 2 possession ball game tayo. Edward. Nice hustle play. Nice play by Ronaldo. And still muntik pa. Nice hustle play.
Ganda na ba?
Ronaldo. Galay. 21 seconds remaining. Galay. Galay pops up. No good. Rebound. Foul. Four personal foul kay Scott. One for graduate also. Scott Edwards, number 5. Shooting for 2. Mass-made baskets po.
Isa na lang, isa na lang kayo.
Mass-made basket by Edwards. First shot. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready.
Isa na lang kayo nyo. Sige.
Second shot. Jumpers ready. No good pareho. Nakuha ni Dumdum ang bola. Oh, foul.
25. Sayang.
Sayang. Dumdum shooting for 2.
Sayang yun, wala pa naman pumasok. Malayo pa, 9 seconds.
9 seconds pa lang yan. Marami pa yan. May 3 points pa eh, no?
Mag-shoot sila.
Dumdum, first shot.
Hindi, wala.
Pasok.
Wala players na ipapatso.
Second shot. Jumpers ready para kay Dumdum.
Iskat ang pag-asa.
Pops up. No good. Rebound kay Galay. Foul, Edward.
Number 5. Teknik na lang.
Na ito maganda rito. This is interesting. Galay has to make these 2 free throws to send the game into overtime. Possible overtime.
Pag nag-overtime,
First shot ni Galay. Pasok. Second shot ni Galay. Mass-made basket. At least tatabla po tayo. 7 seconds remaining. Fourth quarter action. Second shot ni Galay. Yes, sirree. Tabla nga. Possible overtime para po sa Team Assassins. Team Assassins just need to beat an honest defense. Honest defense na po kinakailangan ng Team Assassins. Team Assassins made honest defense na po kinakailangan. Last 7 seconds or try to steal the ball also.
wala na lang 9 seconds. Balupin sa coach.
7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds shot clock, 7 seconds game lock. Ang nakita na talaga. De La Cruz for the inbound. 7 seconds. Assassins needs not just need a honest defense. Both teams penalty. Eto na. Eto na. Eto na. Dumdum. Nawala ang bola. Dumdum. Dumdum. Galay. 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 Scott. Scott. Okay, overtime tayo. 5 minutes pa kinakailangan. Okay, 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes pa. 5 minutes pa daw. 5 minuto pa kinakailangan. 5 minuto pa daw. Please take note, 5 minuto po ito. And also both teams 1 timeout apiece. And both teams also in penalty na.
Pre. Pwede tumanggap sa kabila.
Ready.
89 all. 5 minutes remaining. Eto na, overtime tayo. Galay against Dumdum. Galay, Dumdum matchup. Edwards! No good. Rebound ni Galay. Escat, kumuha ng bola. Escat against Edwards. Escat, Edwards, 2 points. Balikat ang ginamit. Dumdum against Galay. Dumdum. Foul! Penalty yan.
Warning for graduate number 24.
Number 25, Ronaldo, 4 personal fouls, 1 per graduate.
Ina-announce ko kada foul.
Okay,
Alam niyo what to.
both teams, 1 atamot apiece, both teams in penalty. Number 25, warning for graduate ng Team Assassins. Dumdum, kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Tapos na sana eh. Hindi na shoot
Dapat boarding mo yun eh. Both baskets not made. Foul again. Number Edwards called for the foul. Tunula kasi number 11 going to the line for the free throws.
Warning for graduate number 5.
Number 5 also called for warning for graduate. Alipapa shooting for 2 free throws per shot. Kapos. Second shot. Second shot, Alipapa. Pasok. Dumdum. For 3. No good. Rebound, Edwards sa ilalim, masyado malalim. Foul! Bilakampa. Bilakampa called for the foul. Alipapa again. Shooting for 2. 2 shots kay Alipapa na naman. 92-89. Kapos na naman. 4 minutes 6 remaining. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Alipara. Pasok na naman. Alipara. Pasok. Alipara. Correction po. Alipara po yan. Number 4, honest defense. Ano ba yung De La Cruz? Nice na. Ball handling skills si De La Cruz. Pinapakita niya. Dumdum. Kadagdag. Dumdum. Shake and fake. Nakuha ni Scott. Alipara. Nakaribag. Alipara. Wala. Dumdum, anak na maganda, papalo ng 3. Wala, rebound at kata naman. Galay, mag-isa. Galay, 2 points Galay. 3 minutes 18 remaining. Uy, 2 points. De La Cruz, 2 points. Bersiles. 95-91. 4 daw yan, sabi ni Scott. Galay, sabi na ka. Bersiles. Scott. Nakawala. Anong pasa yun? De La Cruz, 2 points. De La Cruz. Bersiles again. Bersiles! Kapos! Rebound by number 11 called for the foul. Bersiles. 11, call for the foul. 11, call for the foul.
Sa overtime, 5 puntos lang ngayon, 5 puntos. Isang puntos na lang. Dalawang puntos. Kasi sabi sa isa lang puntos pumasok.
Okay, correction pa. Nagkaroon ng correction po. 95-92 official score. Lamang ng dalawa ang team Assassins. Dom shooting for 2. 2 minutes 21 remaining.
Lahat puntos.
Dom. Alas 4. No good. Lang niya, lalabas tayo, putok na araw. Dom, second shot. Pops up. Wala. Rebound di Dom. Dom. Sikan for 3. Wala. Naku 11. Okay, hawak muna. Sabi, hawak muna. Scott. Bersiles, number 4. Number 4. Ako ng pick kay Galay. Kung gusto sinabi 11. Number 21. 11. Wala. 11 na naman. Galay for 2. No good. Dom. 2 points from Dom. Scott again. Setting up the pace. A minute and 27 remaining. 95 all po tayo. Scott. Same ball. Tumama sa kamay. Inampas yung bola. A minute and 16 remaining. 95 all po tayo. Ronaldo. 2 points Ronaldo. Foul Galay. Nice foul by Galay. Ilan si Galay? 3 personal foul Galay. Sikan shooting for 2. Sikan shooting for 2. Sikan first shot wala. Sikan second throw, jumpers ready. Sikan second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Rebound Dom. Wala pa rin. Rebound and foul. Again committed by Galay. Galay, 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Dom shooting for 2. Dom po. Dom. First shot. Basket made. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, Dom, jumpers ready. Dom, second shot. Pasok pareho. 97 all. Number 4. Ronaldo. Galay. Long 2. In. Long 2. Long 2 lang. Long 2. Galay, long 2. Dom. And one play kay Dom.
Basket.
Ito tiyak, may matatapos talaga dito.
All night tonight.
Domdom, bonus free throw coming up. Tablados po tayo sa 29. 38 seconds remaining. Domdom. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Pasok lahat. 99-100. 38 seconds remaining. 2-point possession ball game. Escat. Ako ng pick. Escat. Galay. Good ball. Good ball nga. 22 seconds remaining. 7 seconds remaining. 7 seconds to shoot. 22 seconds remaining. Foul! Sikan called for the foul. Bersiles. Mass-made basket para kay Bersiles. Number 4. First shot. Naku! Second shot. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Bersiles just to tie the ball game. Bersiles just to tie the ball game. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Dumdum. Naku yung bola ni Dumdum. De La Cruz. Foul. Push pal rep. Push pal rep. Number 4, Bersiles, graduate. 5 personal fouls, graduate. Nice effort. Quality minutes para kay Bersiles. De La Cruz, first shot. Kapos. Hoy! Alas 5 na! May pasok pa kami! Basket mate! Hoy! May pasok pa kami! Ano ka ba?
Hindi ka ba pala ang pasok?
Iba! Iba! Aba, panalo na yung kanina talaga eh. Binording lang sana eh.
Dapat kasi wala na ako doon. Kasalanan ni Scott.
Boarding dapat eh. Boarding dapat yun eh. Pero take note, depleted na both teams. Puro sila lahat foul trouble. 13 seconds remaining. Alangan nila pag design over the pen.
Ready?
Scott to Galay. 101.99. Galay. Galay 2 points. Two points, Galay, 101 all. Pakibuksin nga yung pinto, baka putok yung araw, pakilicheck lang natin. 5 na. Tuloy ko na muna to. Good morning, good morning, good morning po sa lahat po. Putok to po yata pong araw sa labas. Galay, 101 all, ginawa niya. Send this game again to another possible second overtime. Cebu Masters just need to drill this game. Lahat ng birdo pinapasok na. Dumdum, 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 no good. Kada thrown out, di pwede.
Sir, 3 minutes na lang.
Okay. Here's the situation right now. Double overtime po tayo. Again, both teams in penalty. Key players also po, naka-foul trouble po silang lahat. Isang foul na lang ito, maaaring gagraduate sa magkakabawasan talaga ng player dito. Kaya nga sinasabi po ng kanilang commissioner, 3 minutes na lang ibibigay talaga. Dahil kasi both teams now all in foul trouble na. Both teams now foul trouble. Alipara now for the inbound. Last 3 minutes of the ball game. Second overtime. Galay again setting up the pace. Escat bumabosisyon. Galay. Clarkson. Pops up kay Scott. Malakas. 11. Naka-rebound. Nakawala Scott. Foul. Stepping on the line, sorry. Stepping on the line. Cebu Masters basket po yan. De La Cruz. Pops up for 3. Wala. 2 minutes 32 remaining. 3 minutes pa binigyan na po second overtime. Dahil kasi lahat po ng both teams po, puro lahat sila foul trouble na. Galay again. Scott. Number 6 rather. Number 6. Ronaldo. Scott. Holding foul. Penalty situation. De La Cruz. Number 11, 4 personal fouls, warning for graduate. Ronaldo, first shot, no good. Tama sinabi ni Mandap, 3 minuto lang. Kundi magkakaubusan talaga tayo rito. Ronaldo, second shot, no good. Rebound to number 9. 1-1 all. Domdom, no good. Domdom again. 2 points Domdom. Scott, 2 points. Analyst defense yan, di rin naman mo. Wala siya, puro sila mga penalty. All per people now, almost 4 personal fouls. Domdom. Sikam, De La Cruz, side step move, kinapos. Galay, number 6, 2 points, number 6. De La Cruz. Domdom. 105, 103, Domdom for 3. Bang! Putsang ina, saan ang galing yun? Pusang ina, saan ang galing yung Domdom? May exit trip ka ba sa metro ngayon? 105, 106, Domdom naka 3 points. Ronaldo, Scott for 2 points Scott. Honest defense yan, din sa magbabantayan kasi lahat sila puro pa running for graduate. Domdom. Number 9. Domdom naka-rebound. Edwards, no good. Scott naka-rebound. Ayun na. Scott, 2 points Scott. 109, 106. Laman ang tatlo. Sikam. Domdom, binabantayan. Domdom for 3. No, Sikam. No good. Number 25 naka-rebound to Scott. And to number 6, 2 points. Bumigay na.
Overtime tayo. 17.
Ay, naku po. Okay, ito ano. Pwede na pumasok si Villacampa. Di pa graduate yun ah. "17 seconds remaining. 17 seconds remaining. Lamang ng 5 ang Assassins. 111, 106. Double overtime po tayo. Wala na dapat. Wala na. De La Cruz for 3. Bang! Pampira, posible pa yan. Galay. Nagmamadali si Galay. Foul! Dom-dom! Foul! Dom-dom! 23 Dom-dom, 1 per graduate, 4 personal fouls, 1 per graduate. Galay shooting for 2. Galay first shot. Pasok. Laman ng 3, wala nang timeout. Second shot, Galay. Jumpers ready. 1-1 to 109. No good. Enters Dom-dom. Dom-dom! Uy! Buti na lang. Puta na, kabuhayan ko to. Pabira ko ah. Kabuhayan ko to ah. Sisayang ba yan kububayan? Okay. Dom-dom now shooting for 2. Dom-dom shooting for 2. Galay 5 personal fouls. Graduate. Sino papalit? 4, 5. Dom-dom. 2 shots given. No good. 6 seconds remaining. Dom-dom second shot. No good. Rebound and a foul call by Edwards. Number 5, Edwards, 4 personal fouls, graduate. Si Cam papasok na para kay number 5. Ito, nagkakaubusan na kasi. Ronaldo, 2 shots given. Ronaldo, first shot. Boy, buhay pa. Kahit isa lang yan. Ronaldo. Last shot ni Ronaldo. Kinakala ma-shoot ito. Kung hindi, pasok na. Okay, 4. Dom-dom. Pressure defense. Okay, that's it. Ay, sa wakas. Congratulations for winning the ball game. Final score 113-109. 2 overtimes po ginangyari po dito. Team Assassins. This video is made by on demand ng aking kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations po Team Assassins for winning the ball game. Thank you very much po again po. Inaanyahan ko po kayo po for the opening po ng PSBQ Basketball League, the resurgence, the resurrection ng aming liga. PSBQ Basketball League, maraming salamat po. And again po, ako po si Abin G. Vlog si Ju. On Tuesday po yan, Tuesday night, November 10 rather, 9 p.m. for the PSBQ Grand Opening. Maraming salamat po and God bless.